In this video, you will learn how to lock image and text position in Microsoft Word. Currently, you can see here I have inserted an image in Microsoft Word document, and if I change the position of this text, the position of this image will remain the same. For example, I will click here and I will press enter. Now you can see here the image position remains the same because I have locked this image. So let's learn how to lock this image in Microsoft Word. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Firstly, I will delete this one, select this one and press backspace. Now I will insert an image. Click anywhere on your document. For example, in this case, I am interested to insert image at the start of this, so I will click here. After that, go to insert option. Here you will find multiple options. You can insert shape, icon or 3D model. I am interested to insert picture, so I will go to this option, select this one. From here, choose the option of this device, select this one. Navigate to your image, desktop. And this one is the image. I will select this one and click on insert. Now using these handles, you can resize this image. Currently, you can see here text appear at the bottom of this picture. I am interested to insert this text on the side of this image. For that purpose, click on this image and here you will find the option of layout. You can also find the layout option here. Go to picture format option and here is the option of wrap text. You can use these options. I will click on this layout option and from here you can choose either square or tight. I will prefer square. Select this one. Now you can see here text appear alongside with our picture. Again select this picture. I am interested to spare some space between text and picture. So I will go to this picture format option and wrap text option. Here is the option of more layout option. Select this one. Now here is the option of text wrapping and go to this wrap text option. From here select distance from text. I will choose 0.2 inch. After that, click on OK. Now you can see here a space is added between image and text. Now I will place it here. If I move this text, for example, I will click here. Now you can see here image is also moved. I will press backspace. Click on this image and right click. Here is the option of wrap text. Select this one. From here you will find the option of fix position on page. Currently you can see here we have selected move with text. So if we move the text, the picture will also move. Now I will choose this option, which is the fix position on page. Select this one. Let's check the result. Press enter. Now you can see here when I move the text, image remain locked. If you are interested to unlock this picture, simply select this one. After selecting this one, right click. Here is the option of wrap text and again select this one, which is the move with text. Select this one. Now I will click here and press enter. So by following this video, you can easily lock image and text position in Microsoft Word. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.